Our topic for that day was geography tools. It was a geography class. So that topic was a bit, strange to my students. They haven't heard of geography tools prior to that time. So just like I do in all my classes, before starting out the class, before explaining, I ask questions and I love to get answers to my questions. So when I asked them what are geography tools, they were just looking at me because obviously they've not heard that before. So they probably don't know what to say. So they were just looking at me. So thank God, before then we had talked about maps. So I just gave them a clue that when we talk about geography tools, maps are a good example of geography tools. So I asked the question again, what are geography tools? So normally in my class, when I ask questions, you usually see all my students raising up their hands. But this time, I only had one child raising up her hand, and I was like, "What? Like, what happened?" Okay, so I told her answer the question, and she said, "Geography tools are tools that takes us around the world." And just because I wanted everyone in class to still answer my question, I had to be very, very dramatic about her answer. So I did this. I was like, "What? Wait, please just repeat that definition again. Give me that definition again." And she was actually surprised. She was like, she put on this surprise look and she was like, geography tools are tools that takes us around the world, that helps us go around the world. And I was like, no. Did you just think about that? I said, no. Was it the Holy Spirit that told you that? I said, I'm sure it was the Holy Spirit. Just tell me it was the Holy Spirit. Did you just think about that? And she said, I thought about it. I was like, no. Everybody stand up. Like, stand up. Everybody on your feet right now. Now let's give a round of applause. Let's give a round of applause with all the strength in you. I want you to clap for her. That was a wonderful answer. Like, I wasn't even thinking about that. How did you come about that? And then I told the whole class I was going to give her 10 tokens. I said I was going to give her 10 tokens for answering that question because I never would have expected that answer from the class. Then after the whole drama I played out, I then asked again, who else wants to give me a definition of geography tools? Well, everybody raised up their hands. Everyone, all of my students, they raised their hands, and I was shocked. I was like, ah, but I thought no one knew the definition of geography too. So how come all hands are up now?